tour. Give you a little tour of the shop that we work in. This is my booth right here. Right now I'm doing horizontal position. This is my MIG. Made my stick welder, Miller. There's my MIG buddy, cutting. Old bad boy. These are all the boots that everyone welds in. Different. That's a Hobart. That's a different machine right there. Actually burns pretty hot. There's a few more MIGs. I mean, wire feet. Some more boots. Millers. Babinski. Who's in this booth? Show me a weld. Let's go.
What, with your eyes?
Don't worry about my eyes.
Okay.
My eyes are good.
Okay, hold on that. Take it?
Yeah, I got it. Right on. I'm recording a video. This is our shop. A few more people in here that are still working. Dang y'all. There's boot. Where's that girl? Working or hardly working?
Hardly working.
Yeah. Huh. Taking.
Hi.
Taking a. Hey. Is that a wash boot?